Fortunately.
example of how genealogy and genetics can work together, you were able to use the family tree to identify a living relative that could provide the DNA to trace Hilario's ancestry.
Exactly. And
Okay.
Gina, if I could share a couple of other things about this process. So, first, I believe that we are reclaiming our heritage and unifying around it. That's the goal for me. And so when I realized that there was only so far that we can go in traditional genealogical research because records become more scarce, like uh, the person had asked, the farther you go back. But also, autosomal DNA can only take us so far by giving us a broad mix of all of your branches of your tree and the associated DNA matches with it. For me, it was very important to look at each branch of my family tree separately after I tested with the other companies that give you only the autosomal results. And that's why I really love what African Ancestry is doing, is because you allow an opportunity for us as descendants of enslaved to go branch by branch, pick a line, and actually follow it all the way back to that origin. And that's what this is doing for us. And also, first, I'd like to identify my ancestors and then connect with the living descendants of each branch of my family tree. Then we'll go beyond the research aspect of genealogy to then connecting and unifying each family branch around our shared heritage and history. So imagine with the various branches of my tree, we are getting organized. We are repairing our fractured bonds that were as a result of slavery. So in any one of my family branches, you may find between 200 and 500 present day descendants of our ancestors on one particular line.